Hi.
And me.
Because
I'm in this video too.
Shut up. Okay, well, we're opening a very cheap, like $8 football memorabilia mystery box
From CVS.
Yeah, you guys can see it too. Okay,
They're the same.
because we have 2 camera angles.
One right there and one right there.
But in this video, you guys will see the pricing of each item because I will search it up after and edit it in.
It's too short.
Okay, well, let's open this baby up.
I don't.
Oh,
You need some help there?
No.
You should grab your multi-tool.
No. Because I have the power. Stop!
What's my name?
I'm going to open it up like this.
That box
crazy.
probably cost all of
it's
the
not
$8.
We need to. Oh, there's packs.
There.
Oh,
Okay.
You get the biggest one.
So there are some there. Okay.
Show me.
So there's a pack. One pack, and then the rest. Here. We won't open that, but no.
Oh, it says
I mean, there could
LSU.
be LSU. That's cool.
I feel like it might.
But we're gonna set that over here for now.
Should we should all
No,
get some to
actually,
review?
no. Just put it where.
We should all get some to review.
I'm doing that. Ah!
It's right down over there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Okay.
We all get to do some.
Okay.
I don't want to do it because I'm probably going to pronounce it.
So the first.
I want to do it because I'm probably going to pronounce it.
So the first. I don't know who this is, but William Floyd.
Flip it around. You gotta flip it around. You put it like that.
Yeah.
William.
Floyd.
Yeah, William Floyd.
Okay, we have we have a Raiders team card.
Oh, these are
Team
like
cards
Colts.
go for a good amount.
Colts team
A
card.
Colts team. Wait, no.
Show 'em.
Oh yeah, it's like an event card.
Oh.
Chandler all alone. Like that one. Okay.
Ooh, what's that?
We have one of 13,500. I thought it was gonna be 13. But we have a Brian Pruitt numbered card. That might go for something. We have a Carwell Gardner. Don't know who that is. I don't know. Carwell Gardner.
Steelers.
Gary Anderson. Again, probably just some random kicker from the Steelers.
How do you know? Maybe they're good.
Ooh. Stan Brock, Saints.
Oh, I thought you were about to say Stan Musial. Then I realized it was...
Don't know who that is either. Randall McDaniel. I like that name. It rhymes a lot. Very nice, very nice.
Number 6.
Okay, Detroit Lions, 1992. Team stats and leaders. We have Barry Sanders.
I expected that.
That's a pretty nice card. That is a pretty nice. Oh, look at this one. Just the back of that looks cool. And what's that? JJ Stokes. Don't know who that is, but it looks like a cool card.
Let me see it.
So I think it might go for some money.
It has like a little.
These are old players.
Football. There's an
Yeah.
extra of him. That's really cool. And it says
Okay.
sample.
This
Oh, it says franchise rookies. This is rookie card.
nice.
That's
Okay, so we have a Sammy Winder of the Denver Broncos. I don't like the Denver Broncos because they're the Chiefs' rivals. Chicago Bears, Dan Hampton, whoever that is. And then we've got Steelers, Tunch Ilkin. Don't know how to pronounce that
we don't
name.
know how to pronounce like any other names.
Okay. Stephen Baker, wide receiver, New York Giants.
Ooh. For some reason, he likes the Giants.
Okay, but we have. I'm gonna pull this card
After these.
I'm gonna. No, we're not doing that yet.
No.
Okay.
I want to do some here.
Okay.
Why are we here?
Dennis Gentry, Don't know who the heck that is of the Chicago Bears.
I want to
Okay,
do some.
now we got some.
Now, can we split them up so we can do some too?
doing it.
I want to do some.
Okay, you'll do some after I pull a few of these cards. Okay, we've got Devontae Price. Don't know
Must
who
be-
the heck that is.
must
Might
be- Must be pricey. Woohoo!
Might be a rookie. I don't know.
Let me check.
Why are you smelling it?
It helps me.
With what?
You're smelling the back.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
He's a running back.
Okay.
He's a what?
Another running
Oh,
back,
that's a cool card.
Isaiah Spiller.
Put it
That-
there
that-
so they can see it. It's really cool. Look at that.
Guys, it's really cool. Okay. Now we've got Hassan Haskins.
Well, that's a cool card.
Don't know who that
That's
is.
Bears.
Bears?
Wait, no,
Okay.
that's not Bears.
Wait, what team
That
is this?
is, yeah, what team is that? Is that the Packers?
No. I think these are rookies. No.
That's either
Stop.
Bears or Packers.
No.
I don't know.
I'm a menace.
He's a
Is
menace to society.
What is
Okay.
it? Is it Bears or Packers?
Let me-
No, these are not
Oh,
NFL cards.
that makes more sense.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we have Kevin Marks, whoever the
Let us
heck
do
that
some.
is.
Let me do some. He's mean.
I bought this with my money, so yeah.
Yeah, but I was there with you.
Okay, this one I don't know how to pronounce it. Dion McIntosh.
Dion McIntosh.
Okay. Kevin Harris, whoever that is. But no,
I want to do some.
What's that?
no,
Who's
I'm
that?
gonna
Who's
hold
that?
these.
John Lovett.
Who's that?
It looks like
Well,
the Raiders.
hold it up.
It looks like the what?
These, remember, these
that's
aren't.
These
Okay,
aren't NFL
last
cards.
three. Sincere McCormick.
Must be sincere.
Okay.
What?
Muhammad Ibrahim.
What?
Okay, and then
What?
I don't know who the heck this is. Sam Neuer.
Sam Neuer?
Yeah. Okay.
I want to do some, bro. He's being mean,
LSU
bro.
trading cards.
Yeah.
Oh,
this
LSU
could have
Tigers.
Jamar Chase.
It could have
Joe Burrow.
OBJ.
Joe Burrow.
OBJ.
Okay, OBJ.
OBJ.
Drum, please.
Okay, let's see if this.
Drum roll. Open it.
I'm trying. No! No!
Are you okay?
Oh my god.
We're okay.
Oh my.
Okay, bro.
Edit that out.
No, it's funny. Boom. It's falling.
Again?
Well, yeah.
Drum roll.
Drum, please.
No, stop! No! No, Brett, no! Stop.
Well, let
Okay.
us do some. No. Then why are we here?
Come on.
Yes, Scotty. Why are we here?
Because I asked you if you.
Why are we here? That's basketball.
This basketball?
This is. Okay, well, these are.
They're
basketball.
not.
This is not football!
Hey! False advertising!
False advertising.
Okay,
That's
well.
It's
I'm gonna go step on it.
Oh no, there's some football! There's some football! Football!
I'm sorry. It's not false advertising.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of just.
Some.
I saw.
Okay, we're gonna throw these away. Okay?
I don't want to.
Throw them away.
You can have them then.
I'm gonna review them. Duran,
No,
Macklin,
bro!
No one cares about LSU.
Glenn Hansen,
Sorry, LSU fans.
I'm gonna move you guys. So you
Howard Carter.
Howard,
I'm still in it.
Okay,
Howard Carter.
My
So-
show broke. I think.
whatever.
Monkey.
Warren Capone. I don't know who the heck that is.
Al
More
Sanders.
basketball!
Al Sanders. Kurt
Okay,
Moore.
Eric Martin.
Eric who?
Al
I don't care.
Okay.
Sanders.
Al who?
Okay, the rest are basketball except for this one. Kurt Gore. Okay.
That's not basketball. Bobby Luther. That's not basketball.
Oh wait.
Yes, it is.
Is this a girl?
Okay,
Joyce Walker.
Is that a girl?
guys, we have to do the rating. Get in your chair.
This pack sucks.
broke.
Whatever.
We don't know anyone in this pack. It sucks.
I know someone. My review is out of 5 stars. I'll give it a 2.
Because it had basketball cards.
Two.
Same thing with me.
Only 2 because of the Giants card. That's it.
No, mine's a 0 because it didn't have any Chiefs card and it had basketball cards.
Yeah, false advertising.
I'm not a girl.
Wait, but it did have Barry Sanders.
Oh
That
yeah.
card. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
3.
Nope. Okay, well,
Monkey!
the review is a 2.
Subscribe to the boy 290.
And the X Factor 320.
No, don't subscribe to him.
Shut up. Well, see y'all in the next one.